99, 100. You better subscribe to our channel if you want girls to write to you first. According to our statistics, all our subscribers receive 2 times more messages. Check it yourself. Make our red button gray. It's free and it costs nothing for you. Hey guys, it will be a scandalous video because I decided to bring up very important topic. Nobody ever talks about this because this can offend someone, but I believe that you deserve to know the truth. In this video, I ran an experiment and made 100 swipes to the right. I didn't divide the girls into cute and ordinary, I just swiped everyone to the right. How many of them turned out to be beauties? What percentage of girls replied to my message? And who among them is ready to meet for further communication, sex, and relationships? Like the video right now because you have never seen anything like this. Let's go! So I designed the profile on behalf of the average guy. He's moderately sweet, pleasant, and he has a funny description. I often hear that there are very few pretty girls on Tinder who looks after themselves and dress stylishly. Allegedly, many only come across ugly girls, that the Tinder algorithms are broken and there is almost no chance of meeting a cool foreigner. I wondered if this is really so, or maybe the problem is in the guys themselves. In 24 hours, I collected 37 matches. Of these, 3 turned out to be very beautiful girls, another 21 ordinary girls with whom most guys are ready to continue communication for friendship, sex, and relationships. And only 13 turned out to be unattractive. I do not want to offend anyone. This is the opinion of my team of men. Let's be honest, beauty is a subjective opinion, but there are some generally accepted parameters of attractiveness. Girls from the unattractive category are probably very cool in communication and just good people. But on Tinder, there is no time to deal with your inner world. Sorry. First the cover, then everything else. I know that about 5% of girls are watching us. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Do you disagree about the attractiveness of these profiles? It's important for me to know your opinion. Then I wrote to everyone who liked the same openers. If you are subscribed to the channel, then you know that personalized openers aimed at the characteristics of the girl work best. For example, well, when will I come to you with pennies for coffee? I wrote this opener because I've seen this girl with pennies flowers and I guess that she loves them. So I got it. I think she's a photographer and that's why I thought this will hook her because she's smart. I noticed that all her photos are really good quality and that's why I wrote her and Of these numbers, they answered me 19, which is 51% of the total number of swipes, which is 37. Interesting, right? Let me tell you a secret. The Tinder algorithms are turned primarily to what is in your photos. Yes, Tinder distinguishes travel photography from in-room selfies. Of course, your interests are also taken into account. These are the tags that you put when filling out the questionnaire, and he pulls a lot of information from Facebook, university, place of birth and residence, and so on. Someone mistakenly thinks that Tinder is just showing you the closest profiles, but this is not the case. Like it if this information was new to you, and if the video gets 500 likes, I will release a separate video about the detailed work of the Tinder algorithms. Believe me, there are coolest life hacks that will increase your match statistics several times. I talked a little with the girls who responded and then asked them out on a date. Agreed 4 of them. Let's summarize. Out of 100 swipes to the right, I made 4 dates. And 2 of them with girls whom most guys would call very beautiful. beautiful. Tinder algorithms make it possible to meet absolutely bold, ordinary, and super attractive girls. I remind you that there are only 500 likes, and I will analyze in detail the work of Tinder algorithms and show life hacks how to meet wealthy and educated girls. With you, a subscription and the bell with me, the coolest content. Bye everyone!